An RMC beauty, a giant 200-foot Intamin stonker and lots of plus ones for your coaster count. Is this quantity over quality? Absolutely, and we completely love this madness, although things are definitely improving towards the latter. This is Stu for Out and Back Travel. Today we'll tell you how to get to the hottest ticket in Poland. Energylandia is the biggest amusement park in Poland and is on somewhat of a growth spurt. In 2021, 2 new roller coasters will open, including Abyssus, the highly anticipated double launch coaster from Vekoma Rides. The new additions will make a collection of 17 roller coasters, including Hyperion, the hypercoaster from Intamin, and Zadra the RMC hybrid coaster. Amongst the countless many other rides and attractions is also a water park that's included in your ticket. While it is possible to get the majority of the rides covered in one day, I'd recommend possibly 2 days just to take in the sheer number of rides and attractions and not to feel rushed. Energylandia is located in the tiny town of Zator, more or less halfway between the two cities of Katowice and Krakow, both of which have international airports. There's a full flight schedule to both cities from all corners of the UK, with airlines EasyJet, RyanAir and WizzAir. Lots of competition is good news for us customers as it means lower competitive prices. I always recommend checking out the website Skyscanner to find your most convenient route. Hiring a car is the easiest way to get to the park and takes just 40 minutes. While you're in the area, Energylandia Park is just an hour away and is home to the highly rated Let coaster. If you prefer not to hire a car, it is possible to book an Uber from Krakow Airport. It's around 150 Polish zloty or £30 one way. On selected days when the park is open, there are bus services operated in conjunction with the park. This is a direct service with no stops, which takes an hour and 10 to an hour and 20 minutes. Please check the official park website to check if the bus is running on the day you require and to book your bus tickets in advance. You do have to buy a return ticket due to the limited capacity and it's going to set you back £5. If you plan to stay over, Zator is a tiny town and there's a few local shops and even a McDonald's. The accommodation is mainly self-catering apartments and holiday camps. While there's no official hotels yet, Energylandia operates the Western Camp, which offers themed glamping accommodation in wagons and teepees. If you're not up for the shared bathroom facilities, there are also sheriff cabins that sleep either 4 or 6 with their own private bathrooms. The camp is connected to the amusement park by a land train service. This is one of the most fun ways to stay over in the area and is nice and convenient for getting to the park. So that's our guide on how to get to Energylandia. Which amusement parks would you like to see travel guides for in the future? Let us know in the comments below. And as always, stay safe on the way out and back.